In this clip, I'll be skinning and dicing the squash. Squash is a really wonderful food to eat during the winter time because it's sweet, heavy, and warm, and that combats the dry coolness of a winter, fall time of the year. So I'm just going to skin the squash here. Squash is also a vegetable that is high in protein content and mineral content. It's good, high in carotenes, which help to fight against many cancers. Summer and winter squash are a little bit different as the winter squash is harvested in the late summer and tend to have a heavier property, such as a harder skin, and as well being heavier when you're eating them. Now I'll dice the squash. We want to take the seeds out of the squash, so I'm just going to use a simple spoon and scoop them out. And from here we'll chop the squash. It's important when you're dicing them that you're cutting them into smallish squares and fairly even as well, so that they'll cook uniformly.